Have you been looking for a creative tool that students can use to share their learning? Well, we're excited to share the good news with you.
Canva education accounts for teachers and students are now available via MyPLAN. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's an online design and publishing tool with a mission to empower everyone to design anything and publish anywhere.
Teachers and students can use Canva to create presentations, infographics, posters, and more. It even integrates with Canvas to allow for seamless sharing of templates and student assignment submission.
We have been looking forward to this because we know how putting creative tools in the hands of teachers and students can amplify learning.
Hi, I'm Brenda.
And I'm Amy, and we are two of the technology and innovation coaches.
Today, we're here to walk you through the steps on how you can access your Canva for Education account, share templates, and create assignments via Canvas. Let's get started.
To begin, log into your MyPLAN account and select the Canva for Education icon. Select Login with Google. If you have an existing account, you will also be able to toggle back and forth between your personal account and your district account by selecting the icon in the top right-hand corner. Be sure that you are toggled into your district account when you are sharing templates with teammates and students.
Now let's move on to getting your students signed up for a Canva education account. Students are going to log in the same way that you did when you first created your account. First, they're going to log into MyPLAN and select the Canva for Education icon. Next, they'll select Sign in with Google. If they have an existing account, they'll be prompted to connect it to the district team account. Once students have created their account, they will be able to access templates and assignments that are created within Canvas.
Ready to integrate with Canvas? Let's go through how to do that. From your Canvas course, select Assignments. Then select Add New Assignments. Enter your assignment directions and details. If you're sharing a Canva template with students, you'll share the link in the assignment directions. To get the template link, you're going to open a new tab and go to Canva. Be sure to check that you are in your district account. Next, open the design you want to share. Click on the Share button at the top of the file. Change the Share link to Template and copy and paste the link into your Canvas assignment instructions. Templates can be a great way to build in assignment criteria and expectations for students. Now that you're back in your assignments in Canvas, you're going to scroll down to the submission type. You're going to select URL and File Upload. After you have selected the submission types, continue to fill out your assignment details and save and publish your assignment.
Now let's look at the student view for Canva assignments via Canvas. First, students will go in and select the assignment in Canvas. If you've shared a link to a template, students will click on the link to open the template in Canva and then can begin editing their copy. Once they're finished with their project, they will again open the assignment in Canvas, scroll down to the bottom, and select the Canva for Education tab. This will open their Canva dashboard so they can find the project, attach it, and select Submit. As a reminder, this is a live document and edits can still be made. If you would like a final submission from students, have them submit a link to their PDF in the URL submission box. Once your students have submitted their assignments, you can view their work in SpeedGrader in Canvas. Canva is a great tool for offering student choice in how they show their learning and embracing student creativity. Here are some ways that other educators have used it in their classrooms. In this first example, students created a poster comparing the cell structures of plants and animals. In the next example, students created an infographic on ways that individuals could have a positive impact on the environment. Infographics can even be used as a visual representation of an argumentative essay, explaining the steps of a math problem, or even sharing insights into different perspectives on the same event.
We can't wait to see all the creative ways that students showcase their learning using Canva.
Let us know how you're using Canva in your classroom. Tweet and tag at PUSD Innovate.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.